Hello friends, in this lesson we will explore some advanced features of the range function in Python programming. In our previous lesson we learned how to use range function. Here our starting point is 3, so the stop is 7. 8 is not included and default step is 1. So if I write one more number here, what will appear on the screen? Here is custom step value. Normally default step is 1. It increases 1 by 1. But if I modify here, I am modifying the step. So if I run it, you see the first value is 3 and then 5 and then 7. It increases 2 by 2 because I set here manually. I write manually. So this format, the range, start, stop and step format, gives us a great flexibility when generating sequences. Okay, super. See you in the next lesson.